You came to the right place because you are looking for Microsoft Office for an inexpensive price. The website OfficeKeystore.com offers Microsoft Office from $15. Each package comes with Word, Excel, Publisher, Access, PowerPoint, and Excel, to name a few. Our packages: full suite, never expire, not a trial, not a subscription, one-time purchase and permanent activation. Comes with full software download from Microsoft. We also provide you a genuine key to activate the product. Some things to remember. You can only install it once on one computer. You have to use the license within 48 hours of receiving. When you head over to OfficeKeystore.com, you will fill in the form with your name, email, and software you would like to purchase. Check out with PayPal in your county currency. Your key and link will be delivered within 1 hour's time. Activation takes 8 steps and is incredibly easy without tutorial. So visit OfficeKeystore.com now and get your Microsoft Office for cheap and fast.